Nani welcomes all of you. How are you all? I hope you are all in fine and good health. Now today I am going to give you a green chicken tikka, and for that I have used the Dhakni masala. And last time which I gave you the red tikka, there were so many opposition telling that it was not tikka. Maybe we have given the new name, a modern name to it, but actually we used to make like that in our childhood, and then we used to enjoy it with chapati and all, and we used to call it lal chicken, red chicken. And if you make it thick, you can take that and make the tikka also, because after seeing the liking of the children, I gave the name tikka. But today I have made the tikka, and then you can enjoy it. And please do give me the comments, and hope you will all enjoy it and you won't disappoint me this time. Please subscribe and then like it, share it. Thank you. The ingredients for green chicken tikka. They are curd 1 small katori, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of red chilies, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a pinch of turmeric, and 2 teaspoon of coriander leaves, and 2 teaspoon of mint leaves, and 2 green chilies. Except curd, all these things should be made into a paste, and then when it is a paste, add the curd also to it so that it mixes well with the masala. With this masala, we have to marinate the chicken for 1 hour. Afterwards, we will make the tikka. These are the chicken pieces which are bigger in size, of this size, medium size, and then we are going to marinate. And this is 400 grams of chicken. Green tikka, like then keep the pan, a shallow pan over it. Okay, then add little oil, say 1.5 teaspoon. Let it hot. The oil, the pan is covered. All the masala is absorbed and the oil just fry everything well, and the water is evaporated. Extra masala should be poured all over the tikka. Turn it over. Turn it. Like this. You can have it with naan, you can have it with rice, you can have it with paratha, or anything you want. You can sprinkle lemon juice over it and decorate with onion rings, and even you can use onion rings for eating. Now the tikka is ready to serve. Enjoy it. I hope you will like it, and then don't disappoint your Nani. Please subscribe it, like it, comment it. Thank you.